Okay, hopefully this one will be easier. This is a ProMaster. It's another no start. The customer complaint is they backed in the driveway, backed up slow, shut down the next morning, would not start. Was told by another shop the transmission and it's not savable. Check and report. Okay, so I do have a shifter module problem, right? So, whoops, what's going on here? I'll have to look up at these codes, but these right here. Now I don't see no lights in here. None of the lights are working. I don't know if that's just a noise or what, but that does work. And there's nothing going on. The lights flashing here are just the camera. It's not the dash. I'm not getting any. I don't know if I'm supposed to get a Prindle up on that. EST light. It's pretty confusing with all the lights flashing on there, but I did do system test. I did do the shift lever test. Maybe I can run through it again. So we're in park. Put it in reverse. Put it in neutral. This has that, but it doesn't have that. I'm not even filming. And then we'll put it into drive. Okay, and it failed all the tests. So this is what I'm going to chase. Shift through reverse key. All right. And let me see data stream. I want to see if I have any kind of Prindle. I'm not really concerned about the ASD yet. I want to take a look at a wiring diagram when I get to that point. And I just want to do some quick checks out in the parking lot. Because if this thing doesn't know if it's in park or whatever, it's obviously not going to start. See what we got here. Park, neutral. Okay, open. FO. I don't know what that means. Alright, well, I just wanted to see if I was going to get any kind of change. Alright, I found a serious issue. I had to get a flashlight. But we got a couple things going on here. I don't know if I can get in here. We got tail's busted, for the shift lever. There's some kind of spring laying there. And then you have this grounding strap also. Alright. So that's an issue. And I don't know if the valve. I don't know if this valve body's locked up or not. Nope. Okay. Leave that to park. Right, so it might not know where it's at still. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure it's in park, and then I'm going to put a little bit of a jumper cable to the block or something. Where is that supposed to go? I don't know if that's supposed to go to the block or what. I need to. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's busted right there. Okay. So we'll do that right quick. Alright, I don't know where the battery is. I'm not going to go to the battery. This is a jump off point. But what I'm going to do is this jumper cable, I'm going to try to get somewhere. Hook up to where it was. It's kind of hard to see. I don't know if I can get a video of that, but I want to see what happens now. This is still not showing anything good. Alright, I gotta start here. Hopefully that's making a good contact. Nope. Alright, so I gotta fix some of the obvious stuff. Oh, shush. Alright. Oh, there it goes. Alright. So I know the starter circuit's okay. Supposedly he said the transmission's locked up. Sounded like it wanted to spin. I don't know if that ground's any good, but I'm going to hook my guy up here. Get some juice. Okay. There's a spot somewhere on this dang engine that I can reach. Doesn't look it. Let me find a spot. Alright, got 14 volts going in. Let's see if I can get it to go. Probably should just find the battery. Never worked on one, I don't know where it's at. It's probably right under my butt. So it sounded like it turned. So I don't know what they're talking about. The transmission's locked up. Crazy talk. Yeah. This is definitely going to need a transmission. Besides that obvious part. Look up there. Case is busted. That's a good job. Let me see. That's a good job they did there. What's this? Oh, it's the bolt. But you can see the broken ground. I do want to try to see if I can get this thing started. Yeah, I want to see if I can at least get it started. I got the battery charging. Ooh. Exhaust is damaged. I don't know what else is damaged. Yeah, I won't know, but I want to try to get all this crap in the way. I want to see if I can get to the belts to make sure that the engine's not locked up for whatever reason. I don't know. Supposedly the transmission's locked up too, which, you know, if the converter's locked to the transmission, then it wouldn't start, I would assume. But putting it in neutral, we pushed it. All right, let me get to it. All right. Oh, dang. So it's 27 mil on this. Hopefully it turns. Yeah, all right, it turns. Well, that's good. All right. Now I'm going to try to crank it again with the battery. Charging for a couple minutes. See what happens. Alright, I got a bunch of beans going on here. Class on. Oh, okay, let's turn that back on. Let's see what happens. Get this thing running. Find out there's a crap ton of other stuff probably wrong with it. Runs. There you go. So that's a good sign. So we know definitely needs transmission. And exhaust sounds kind of quiet, so no, it's leaking. Yeah, the exhaust is leaking. So that front pipe will have to be replaced. Alright, Yeah, that's it for this.